What is going on, traders? Today's video I'm revealing the scalping strategy which I'm using right now for today's market conditions. If you really want to make a quick consistent profits, so make sure to stick around with me to the end, and so let's get tuned. So guys, if we can diving into the volatility 75 index chart right now, as you can see that the market condition what we have right now, if we can diving into the high time frame which is daily, and that is what trading view of Deriv is giving us, we can see guys we have a massive downtrend, and the market is making the lower lows and lower highs. And when we try to view it out very well, you can see that the condition now which we have, right, it is market printing a good move candle with high volatility, and which can make us to make a good profit in this situation as we scalpers, guys. So this strategy is going to help you to master everything and then to make a quick profits. We can see almost this, how many days? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 days. This is a week the market was moving the buy, a short buy, and you can see in a long term we have what we have a short, which we can call that it is a sell trend, guys, all down trend, which is a long term. But we have a massive pullbacks in this situation. You can see most of the weeks, every weeks we get, some weeks we get what we get a move pullback in a buy side opportunity, guys. So we have to use this opportunity of market condition whereby it prints a big move with high volatility in a candle, in a daily candle. You can see we have only big candles in a daily. You can see exactly, if we can see very well around this area here, around this area we have all of these big move candles. So we don't need to hold all of that, but we need just 1 hour moving to our side, and then we make what we call it a day. We use this condition to see that we can maximize our profit. So guys, our strategy is going to be moving like this. So when we come to the chart, we have to go to the higher time frame, that will be our daily time frame, and our daily time frame is going to be our bias daily time frame. So when we come on a daily, we have to look the color of the candle. We have to look the color of the daily candlestick pattern. Is it green or is it red? So let us say that here we have what, if you can see very well here, we have an indecision candle. It goes on blue, and it goes on it goes on green, and it goes on red. So it have not yet getting closed, because this is a new day candle. Are you getting the point? Because I'm recording this video now, it's approaching to 5 a.m. morning. Are you getting the point? So by which means by the time when it reaches at 7 o'clock, we will be maybe a blue candle, or it will be a red candle. Let's say that now at this time we see it is red candle. We have to look we have to look for the sell opportunity. What we have to do, we have to take this candle which is moving red right now, this candle here. This is going to be our daily bias candle, guys. So by which means if it reached in the morning, if it reached on 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock a.m. GTM, and then we know exactly where to take, where to be the bias is going to be. So because it will be already showing us, maybe it will be a red candle, or maybe it will be a blue candle. Let's say that now we are looking for the entry. Right now we have to take the sell opportunities, guys, because the daily candle is giving us a sell bias. So the next step, what we have to do, it is to go to the minute 15, guys. Before we leave our daily candle, we have to do what? We have to get here our horizontal line. We have to get our horizontal line, and then we mark this candle here. This is going to be our candle, and then we mark it like this. to separate what? To separate the daily where this have opened from. So what we have to do, we have to go to minute 15, guys. We can use minute 5 or we can use minute 15. Let us start with minute 15. So when we come here in minute 15, if you can see here, market it made a low and then made a high, made a low, made a high, and come, we break this what? We break this structure. This is what we are going to focus on, guys. So here, guys, we are going to do like this. What we have to be looking for is going to be like this, guys. What we have to wait for, we have to wait the market print the high highs and high lows, because we are looking at the sell like this in minute 15, and then we wait the market to come and break this previous lower high like this. When the market breaks that previous lower high, and then we wait to come back at around this area or to come back to this order block. Are you getting the point? So we are going to wait it on minute 15 order block, or we are going to use this what? This left shoulder, so that the market come back to this shoulder, and then we take what? We take it down to target this, to take this what? To take this lower low. Are you getting the point? When the market shifts from this area and then comes back to this, and then comes back to start making what? To start making lower lows and lower highs moving to the downside, is when we will be taking our opportunities, which means we have to trade following our daily bias. We don't need to go our what? Against our daily bias. So this is going to be what? Going to be our high low, high low, high low, high, and then we wait the market to come and break this high low here. Are you getting the point? After breaking the high low, this will be our signal that the market is trying to shift from the uptrend and then start obeying the overall bias of our daily. It is a downtrend, guys. So what we have to do after seeing this breaking out, before this leg comes up, to make what? To make a head and shoulder pattern here at around this side, we have to look at the order block here. We wait the market comes and taps in. After tapping in, and then we target this, guys. It should be like 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, like that. If this leg is too long, it can make us also like 1 to what? Like 1 to 5, like that. So that is the rule of the strategy, and that is what we have to be looking for, and that is what we have to follow. Let me bring us here so we can analyze it very well. So if you can see here, if we try to see that now what we was needing, the market have already done it. This is what I was talking about. If you can see clearly here, guys, the market have come and take this low here down, guys. If it takes it and then comes and takes this high, which means the market was shifting from the downtrend to the high to the uptrend. You can see it very well, guys, that this was a low here we made a high at around this place. We came and made a low here like that. We came and take this high. You can see that this, it is a wick here which had what? Swiped this previous high like that, and then we have come back down, and then we took this low, which shows us that the market now it have starting going what? Going down. So our to obey our what? Our bias, our daily bias. So what we have to do, we have to mark everything around here. So I have told you that we have to look for the order block around this side, or to look for the one, to look for the left shoulder. So what we have to do, to go in minute 5 so that we can scale and we get a good chart. Let us go to M5, guys. So if we can come here on minute 5, we can get a clear picture very well. We can see it, everything, and the chart is lined it very well. So if we can come here to the line chart, before we go to the line chart, let us first find our order block, guys. So the order block, what we have here right now, we have this is our order block. Yes, we have this, because this is the big candle what we have here. Let me do like this and you see it very well. See very well that this indecision candle in minute 5, it is our big candle that we can use, that we can do what we can use to mark our order block. From here we start from the wick up here, and then we bring it down, all of it like that. This is our M5 order block, our M5 order block, and then we take it right like this, like that. So we have to wait the market come back inside of that order block. Let me delete this line. We have to wait the market comes back to this order block. So if you want to get a sniper entry, when let's say that the market is going to come at around this area and the order block, and then go to the 50%, so we wait the confirmations so that we can continue with making the lower lows and the lower highs. So if you don't want to wait for the confirmation, what you have to do, we have to mark this side here, guys. If you can see it very well, we have to mark this, the left shoulder, guys. You can see this was a high, and then the market came and made a low here, made a high, break this, and then start making the lower lows and the lower highs. So which means this is going to be our interesting point, or our point of execution, exactly in our order block. So when you need to get a sniper entry, you have to get our horizontal line, this our horizontal line here, and then we mark like this, because this is our left shoulder here, like that. So that is a sniper entry. Where to put the stop loss? The stop loss is going to be above all of this, all of this structure, guys, and then we move some pips above, like here. That is going to be our SL. Are you getting the point? That is going to be our SL. So where to put our take profit? Our take profit is going to be here, down here. This is going to be our take profit, exactly. This is the TP1 here, and then we are going to have also another TP2 here. Another TP is going to be this. That is the overall TP. So that is our structure, what we going to be following. Let me remove this so that you can see everything clear. Are you getting the point? So that is what we have to follow, guys. So we have to wait the market comes back inside of this come back inside of this order block, or to come and hit exactly here, guys. We mark like that to get a clear marking. To get a clear marking of the sniper zone, what we have to do, to come on the line chart. When we come on the line chart, we zoom out like this. We get this. This was the last high, which was swept out. This one, yeah. That is our sniper entry. We wait like that. So, and we see we are taking short here at exactly this area here, like that. And we take it down. This is going to be our overall target here, like that, and then our stop loss here. Do you see? So we are risking 1 to make 3. Are you getting the point? Let us come back to our line chart. Let us come back to our candlestick chart. I think, guys, you have got it very well. Are you getting the point? So before you consider, before you take the execution to the market, now we can wait the confirmation. Exactly what we have did here, guys, to make our analysis. Now we have finished to analyze our market. Now we are waiting to make execution. This is the sniper entry. So if we have not waited, sometimes the sniper entry, it might not come. It might not come. So you can use the sniper entry, or you can use the order block like this. We wait exactly here at the order block here. because this is the last buying candle which had forms as our order block. So this is going to be our another entry here. Then stop loss also above of all of these structures. We leave some pips above, and then our overall target is going to be here. So you can see that this is going to be like 1.5. We are losing 1 to make 1.5 with our second entry when we take the order block. So what is the strategy telling us? It's telling us we have to take the tip, we have to take the profit at around this area, guys. If you can see, these are taking profits point. This is the 0.1 and this is the 0.2. You don't need to go far from these regions, because you can see that the market shows you that here there is some buyers who can push the market comes back, or it can comes back and takes all of this, it goes up. And you can see also around this area here we also have buyers, so we have to be taking profit at around these support zones. Are you getting point? Because this is a support, which means there are buyers, a lot of buyers, and also here there are a lot of buyers. They can change everything, but because we just predict, guys, we just predict, we move the market, we just predict. That's why we use our stop losses. Are you getting the point? If we are wrong, we know how much to lose. So if you're having a small account like $50 or you're having $100, make sure don't lose more than $10. Are you getting the point? Which means here we are going to use entry type 1 and entry type 2. Are you getting the point? So the entry type 2 here, what we have to use here exactly, you have to risk, if you are having $50, make sure entry type 1 you use to lose $5, and the entry type 2 also you lose $5. That is what? That is almost $10. If you lose it, which means if you have a $50 account, you will be happy. What? You'll be remaining with the $40 that the next day you can come. Here, this strategy is not for flipping account, it is for growing account. I guarantee that if you can try to grow your account using this strategy and with these conditions of the market which having right now, with good volatility, what we have according the printed candle, what we have seen on a daily time frame, it will help you. Don't try to flip your account, because if the market go against you, you can blow all that money at the single blink of the eye. It's all about to stay focused, managing the risk, and then we move on. Are you getting the point? When we are scalping, put the emotional aside. Put the emotional aside. You have to use risk money management at this point. Are you getting the point? We have to use the risky money management. We stay focused, and then we highlight everything out, and then most especially, guys, don't trade with emotions. Don't trade with emotions, guys. Be strong. Don't use your brain. Don't use your feelings here. Yeah, man. No feelings here, bro. No feelings here. No joke. So make sure to like this video and share to your fellow trader friends, so that they can also get to learn, and go on and hit that subscribe button for the more tips. See you for the next episode. Peace.